不做，没有做，别做；不吃，没有吃，别吃；不看，没有看，别看。Are you unsure when the negations 不、没 and 别 will appear and how to use them? In Chinese, the most frequently used negations are 不、没 or 没有. Yo is optional, and 别. I've divided this unit about negations into 3 sections. The first and second sections are primarily about 不 part 1 and part 2. In this video, we'll look at the negations 没 and 别 and how these 3 negations differ from one another. In this video, we will discuss the negation character 没有 and the 别 in conjunction with different grammatical categories. We'll look at 没有 firstly. Let's start with nouns and show how they make yes-no questions with the negation character 没有. 没有 is the only negation that can be followed by a noun. 不 can also be followed by a noun, but the examples are usually found in idioms rather than everyday sentences. In this section, we'll look at more example sentences to familiarize you with its usages. For example, 你身上有没有钱? Do you have any cash with you? 有啊 Yes, I do. 没有 No, I don't. 你家里有没有花瓶? Do you have a vase in your house? 有啊 Yes, I do. 没有 No, I don't. 你下午有没有事? Do you have anything to do this afternoon? Or are you free this afternoon? 有啊 Yes, I do. I'm busy this afternoon. 没有 No, I don't. I'm free this afternoon. Next, we're going to look how 没有 combined with a verb to make a yes-no question and a negation. 他有没有说谎? Did he lie? 有 Yes, he did. 没有 No, he didn't. 他昨晚有没有回家? Did he go home last night? 有 Yes, he did. 没有 No, he didn't. 他今天有没有去打球? Did he play ball today? 有 Yes, he did. 没有 No, he didn't. Next, we're going to look how 没有 combined with an adjective to make a yes-no question and a negation. 她的妈妈有没有很漂亮? Is her mother beautiful? 有很漂亮 Yes, she is. 还好耶 No, she isn't. 你儿子有没有很高? Is your son tall? 有 Yes, he is tall. 没有 No, he isn't tall. 你有没有很饿? Are you very hungry? 很饿 Yes, I'm very hungry. 我没有很饿 No, I'm not very hungry. Next, we're going to look how 没有 combined with an adverb to make a yes-no question and a negation. 他跑得有没有很快? Does he run very fast? 有 Yes, he does. 没有 No, he doesn't. 你的老板出手有没有很大方? Is your boss generous? 有 Yes, he is. 没有 No, he isn't. 他的身手有没有很利落？ Does she do things quickly and skillfully? 有 Yes, she does. 没有 No, she doesn't. Now we'll look at the uses of 别. 别 is the simplest of the three negations. It must be followed by a verb to form the negative imperative don't. For example, 要小心，别受伤。Be careful, don't get hurt. 要认真读书，别贪玩。Study hard, don't fool around. 早点出门，别迟到了。Leave early, don't be late. Now we are going to talk about the differences among the three negations, 不、没, and 别. First, look at their patterns. 不 can be followed by a verb, an adjective, an adverb, or an auxiliary. 没 or 没有 can be followed by a noun, a verb, 很 adjective, or 很 adverb. 别 can only follow by a verb. Next, we're looking at their meanings and when to use. In terms of their combination with a noun, 不 and 别 doesn't appear with a noun except for some idioms or fixed usages. We don't discuss them here. Only 没有 can be used with a noun to indicate that one do or does not have something. For example, 我没有钱 I don't have money. In terms of their combination with a verb, 不 plus a verb means one do or does not want to do something. 没 or 没有 plus a verb means one didn't do something. 别 plus a verb form a negative imperative to indicate don't do something. Look at their example sentences. 我不去 I don't want to go or I won't go. 我没有去 I didn't go. 别去 don't go. Next, look at their combination with an adjective. The meaning of 不 plus an adjective has the same meaning with 没 or 没有 plus 很 adjective. Both means not or not very adjective. 别 doesn't appear with an adjective. For example, both 她不漂亮 and 她没有很漂亮 has the same meaning. Both means she is not beautiful. Next, we're looking at their combination with an adverb. The meaning of 不 plus an adverb has the same meaning with 没 or 没有 plus 很 adverb. Both means not or not very adverb. 别 doesn't appear with an adverb. For example, both 他跑得不快 He doesn't run fast. And 他没有跑得很快 He doesn't run fast have the same meaning. He doesn't run fast. Next, we're looking at their combination with an auxiliary. Only 不 can be used with an auxiliary. They are used to indicate won't, can't, shouldn't, or isn't, aren't. For example, 他不会弹钢琴 He can't play the piano. 你不应该迟到 You shouldn't be late. 他不是我的朋友 He isn't my friend. To learn how to use different negations in every circumstance, watch the video several times and go over it again if you are having trouble understanding this section. I think you'll be able to keep them under control. In the next issue, we'll go over the various uses of reduplication of verbs. If you want to learn more about this issue, please follow my channel. My videos will be regularly uploaded on Wednesdays. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. See you again soon.